Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I'm going to install some reverse lights in this 2017 Honda Ridgeline. This applies to many years, a couple of generations, and should be fairly simple. A company called LASFIT was kind enough to send me a couple of backup bulbs, and I'm going to show you how to install them, and then we're going to test them out at night and in the daytime. So let's get to it. These look pretty cool. Check those out. Yeah, looks cool. Looks like very well made, and it looks like they're going to be very bright. That's what I'm looking for. So let's get to it. I just wanted to share a little information on these LASFIT bulbs before we start. So the first thing you do is you take out the two 8mm bolts that are here and here. You take those out. I've got them loosened already. Okay, I'm going to get the bulbs ready for an install. There we go. We got a couple of the bulbs. We can pull this out. Pops right out. Look at that. There it is. There's your reverse bulb. Can you see that? Here it is right here. You just pull that out. Pops right out like that. We're going to get one of these. These should fit. They are the same number. Okay. We're going to put them in like this. And you just twist it to the right. So you twist this to the left where the bulb is to pop it out. You remove the old bulb. You replace it with the LED. Then you put it in there and you turn it to the right. There. Took it out. Like that. Again, you want to tighten these up snug. You don't want them so tight that you strip anything. That's just going to end up taking so much longer. All right, there we go. And I'm going to wipe this down with some microfiber. There you go. That one's done. So let's do the other side real quick. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to loosen up those 8mm. Pretty easy. There's two 8mm bolts, and then the headlamp, the tail lamp will pull straight back and come right out. So this is what I need to do here. Again, this is the backup bulb. It's the lowest one. You turn it to the left. The gray plastic that it's plugged into pops right out. There you go. You take that out. I'm going to get this new bulb, this new really cool bulb by LASFIT, and these fit perfect. We'll test them out in the dark later, and you just put it in there again, and when it seats in there correctly, and you'll know that it's right, then you just turn it to the right, and it's in. They're all plugged up. Then this light, this tail light, only goes in one way. And you put the two 8mm bolts back in. I hand tighten them as much as I can first. And there you go. Wipe off the dust. All right, guys, let's test them out. These are super bright during the day. LASFIT did a great job making these bulbs. They're really good quality. And, you know, I'm real happy with them. They're super bright in the daytime and at night so people can see you. And this will really help backing up because I can't pull straight into where I park. I'm at the end of a dead-end street, so I have to back in, and these really help. And, you know, I think these should be put in all cars. I don't know why manufacturers don't brighten these things up. But here you go. I mean, LASFIT did a great job. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's LASFIT. And they do a great job, so be sure and check them out. And I'll put some links under the video in the description if you're interested. Okay, folks, I hope you like that little install of these reverse bulbs. You know, if you had to do I think it's the running light, if you had to do that one as well, or the turn signal, I think it's the turn signal actually, you know, it's the same way. Turn it to the left, the little gray plastic, pull it out, you know, pull the bulb out, replace it, put it back in, turn it to the right. It's two 8mm bolts, and then the tail light slides straight out at you. So like if you're standing right behind it, it just pulls straight out. There's two pins that keep it in. It's real easy to do. Anybody could do it, really. Just, you know, keep track of your parts and everything, and wear gloves. You don't want to be touching the bulbs with your fingers and get fingerprints and grease on them. I hear that can make them blow out, especially the halogen ones. So you just don't want to get fingerprints on them. So there you have it. That was easy. And I've got more videos coming on the Ridgeline. I appreciate you watching. If you like stuff like this, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment. If you have an easier way of doing it, let me know about it. If my way is a little hokey, let me know about it. And I really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. See ya.